Alright, so what we got here is a hurricane simulator. 78 miles an hour. And I'm gonna try it. So, there you go.
Holy hell, dude.
What?
Your dollar's no good. It's no good at the hurricane simulator. Dude, hurry up, your battery's like dying. No, it's not gonna spit money out. It's supposed to be simulating a hurricane, I guess. Okay, so I'm not sure. It's getting to 78. Oh, it's picking up even farther. It's at 70, roughly, miles an hour. Fucking dreads are flying everywhere. It's because your hair's like solid. Oh, that's it.
78-mile winds.
That's it.
So I'm not gonna lie, that hurt my face. I don't really quite believe that was 78 miles an hour.
It said it was.
It said it was 78, but I don't know.
It had the thing on the back that said it was, but I don't know about that.
Did it really? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's what it would have been like if I was in Hurricane Katrina.
No,
Oh,
not Hurricane Katrina.
Too soon. Peace out.